They took it to 10.
Hello everyone, my name is Julia.
Round 2, fight!
Hello everyone, my name is Julia and welcome to Nitro channel. As you can see, I'm outside, it's snowing right now. I'm on a way to see my friend. Honestly, whew, my breath is kind of messed up because I'm rushing. Today is pretty warm, the warmest day in a while, like -1. Yeah, so I quickly did my makeup and now I'm on the way and we're about to try to see one nice location. I hope we can find it. Can someone explain me what's going on? Why pigeons surrounded me? Like all of a sudden everybody flew here. Whew. This weird. I don't have food, guys. Very weird feeling. So now I'm at the meeting point waiting for my friend. As you can see, surrounded by doves. And we're about to take taxi and go to interesting location. Honestly, this place is looking like frozen waterfall. I hope it's so nice as in the pictures. So yeah, hope we'll find it fast because we don't have enough time today. I'm wearing white, what is it called? A jacket, white jacket. Just like browny beige white vibe. My DC gloves, the warmest one. Usually I take them when I'm snowboarding. So yeah, I'm just waiting. We got a flag and somebody's there. Some patriot also got a flag. So we order a cab. We can focus. Okay, we order a cab, waiting for it 1 minute away and we'll go to our destination. Zina, come say hi to the channel.
Hi.
Yeah, so this is my partner for today. Well, waterfalls.
Thank you.
So the taxi left us here, but we didn't get to our destination at all. Yeah. So this is very disappointing.
Тебе надо мимас туда вставить, который Геракл. Disappointed. Знаешь это?
Нет, поищу.
Wait a minute. This isn't my world. Disappointed!
Yeah, so we're walking now. I hope it's not that far. He said that he can't drive on this road because he's scared to get stuck. So yeah, not cool at all. Just I hope it's not so far. I don't know what's the sound of shooting or what. Run, motherfucker, run!
Run, motherfucker, run! Run, motherfucker, run!
Тут зона.
Finally got to the place.
Вижу людей. Зачем они здесь?
So this is a wall with frozen water, but because of snow you can barely see. Some people climbing. I don't know how they do it, it's so cold. We want to make pictures, but we don't extra people in pictures. Disappointed?
Вон там сосулька еще неплохая. Левее. Тоже прикольно, ну короче.
Melting.
Разговор на эту тему. Там гора высокая. Ну да, там гора такая высокая. Колдовский прям. Ну да, ну такой парк. Тут есть два парка. Держу. Готово давно. Ну, я вижу. Я уже видел до этого, что было. Так, хорошо.
Блин, попал.
Ice, baby. Look at my boots.
Look at my boots.
I like the color. So pure.
Понял. Ну-ка, понял. Потеря снаряжения.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Ну да, как-то так. Правильно понял. Молодец. Ну, проверили. 90 градусов. Мои вот кошки уже так себе держат.
Still here.
Там они держат хорошо.
My hands and feet feeling cold already. And I need to go back. Oof, I'm not sure if if we order a taxi, it can come here. I hope so, because to go up is harder, especially when it's slippery and you slide, and when you're already cold and so much snow. I wish I could have some coffee or hot soup now. I'm feeling hungry, honestly. Now we're on the way back, trying to go up. It's harder than it looks. I wish I would have boots like that guy's on ice. Пока нет. In 1 hour will be sunset, getting a little bit darker. Going up is harder, but better for muscles. Graffiti.
Are you okay?
Inside my shoes.
Go one more time.
No. It was your idea.
Again, all in your shoes.
Uh-huh. Inside.
That was great.
I hope so.
Вот такие штуки, смотри. Сейчас будет 3-й раз падение. Which one you choose? Choose wisely. Yeah.
Got into cafe, decided to have some coffee and I took some dessert. Rainbow cake, cappuccino, then I got some latte.
Melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories.
Winter look. WATERFALLS. Let's go.
Пошли. Куда пошли, сами не знаем. То ли вылавливать последних, которые остались, то ли была команда отступить.
Today is the 23rd of January, and today in Russia is not like a strike, like a riot against President Putin because of opposite leader who posted a video on YouTube about palace of president stealing money and everything, so it gave a big resonance, and this opposite leader was arrested when he came back to Russia. So yeah, he invited people today to come to the main streets of the city. I'm just in the center now on the way home, and I just like seeing this. I hope everything is peaceful. As you can see, so many police everywhere. I don't know what is here, but big crowd. People just standing, not saying anything. Okay, no dictators. I said.
Диктатура.
It's crazy.
Если типа, грубо говоря,
See this? Got arrested. What's going on? And they put everybody in a bus.
там, да? Фотограф.
They block the street.
Когда несут еще и пили.
He tried to run from the bus, but they caught them. The other one ran away. See all these cars, buses, crowds, police. I've got home, ain't gonna lie, feeling tired. I woke up early today and I barely slept last night. But I hope tonight, because of that, I will fall asleep faster and I'll sleep like a baby. Also still feeling cold, but all this work around nature, there is a lot of like fresh air with friends. That's so cool. Definitely recommend. At least do it once in a while. So yeah, as you can see, my hair is so fluffy now because of humidity outside. Yeah, so my hair structure is weird. So I hope today was all good for all people who went on the streets. You saw what was going on. I will look at the news to see what's up, but honestly my city is pretty calm and chill, but sometimes people just tired of all the system, all dictators, regime. So yeah, I hope nothing bad happened today, but I will check that. I'm not into politics and I don't really want to talk about it. I just wish everyone to stay healthy, to stay safe. And I want to say thank you so much for watching. I will chill, I want to eat something. If you like this video, don't forget to put thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.